Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to share notes in Evernote. So I will be showing you a few methods here on how to share your notes. First things first, you have to go to your Evernote and then locate that specific note that you wanted to share. So you have to go to the left side and then tap on notes right here. Basically, you should see your recent notes and all you have to do is to open. Now on the right side, as you can see, there's this blue button right here. All you have to do is to tap this one. You will see here share or copy a link. Here you can set the access from restricted to anyone can view or anyone can edit. Everything is up to you. Once you're done, and then you can now copy this link. As you can see this one, copy and then paste it anywhere or send this to your client, your customer, your teammate, or your workmate. So just paste the link. And this is what it looks like. Another way is that you can share this note via email. So you can just basically add their email right here. Make sure this one is the correct email. And then tap on send invite. So what you're going to do here is you just have to wait till they accept or approve this. And basically they will be notified that you have shared your note to them. And that's it. So all you need to do is to tap on this share button right here to share a link. And you can also do the invitation by adding their email address. And lastly, set the access from restricted to can edit or can view. Once they tap the link or have accepted the invitation and tap the link, it will take them directly to your note. And basically, that's how easy it is to share notes in Evernote. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.